Hey, welcome back to, unfortunately, part 3 of this review. But, yeah, like I was saying, on the volume control switch, it would be nice if they had a mic mute button on there. Instead, having to take it from here and then fold it up. But I do like that little feature on there, that you can fold this up. Let's see, for the power supply. Let me grab one of my battery banks here. Yep. Now, it showed that it's more red on the box, but here's kind of hints of blue and like pinkish color. Now, they're saying that this might be supposed to light up, but I don't see it light up. Cause see those little arrows there? They're saying the little arrows are supposed to light up, but yeah, all I'm seeing is that. And even though the things go on the inside with translucent wet plastic, only the outside is lighting up. So yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe. They even show that it's lighting up a lot better on here, but yeah, okay, maybe the mic does not light up, but I thought I read it on here that says that the mic lights up. Personally, I think it's kind of stupid that they light up, because you had this extra little USB thing hanging from your controller if you put your mic into your controller. Yeah. This is just the little magnet that they have on there to kind of keep that little flap. This little flap, so you could open and close it magnetically. But yeah, there's that. So don't worry, this is not a button cell battery or anything. It's just a little magnet. How do they feel? Let me put them on my head. I'm gonna tell you, they feel kind of comfy, nice and comfy. They feel almost like a soundproof type of noise canceling ones. That's what they feel like. But yeah, I still can hear myself talking. So I don't know when audio's actually playing, if they're gonna be more like a noise canceling type of headphones. But yeah, and just to compare them to some other brands, we have the, what is this? What is this one? Titan brand. Square headphones. They worked okay, but the mic kind of got in the way. And they had their pad in reverse. The inside part that, sits in your head, on top of your head, no padding. The part right here, that says the model design, the Triton, it's padded. I mean, you're not going to put them on your head this way. You're going to put them on your head this way. So yeah, they got that.